In this video, we are going to create this bubble chart, and in this bubble chart, we will show our daily percentage change of this stock prices, and we will indicate the red mark for the losses and green mark for the positive. It means whatever the stock, those are in profit. So we will show in a green color. So let me open our dashboard. So this is the dashboard we have, and I'm creating a new worksheet, and I'm giving the name is bubble chart. So this is the daily percentage change column. We need to select this and hold the control button, click on day, and then click on this stock name. Okay, by holding control button we can select multiple columns. Now click on show me, and here you have this bubble chart. Okay, and again click on show me. So this is the bubble chart. Okay, now we need to do some formattings. So first of all, you can see in the stock name you have this null. I don't want this null, so just right click here and exclude it. Okay, and I don't want this particular stock, or let it be, and I want in the entire view, so I just change it to the entire view. Now one more thing, you can see this particular color is showing here. I just need to click on this color, edit color, and I want blue color something. Yeah, blue TL. Assign plate A, apply, and OK. So you can see this is the we can say this is our bubble chart. Now we can change the label also. You need to go to this label, and if you click on this three dot, here you can change your label. Let me decrease the font size to 8 and OK. So this is how you can change the label, and this look fine to me. And if you want border, you can click on this label, click on this color. Here you have a border. If you want this black color border, you can put the border also. If you want some different border, color border, you can change, but I want automatic only. So as of now I'm leaving this to only. Now this is the normal one. This is the normal having blue color only. But now I want to show red color for negative values and green color for positive value. So for that we need to create one calculated field. So I'm creating this calculated field, and I'm giving the name is red forward slash green. And I'm writing the conditional statement here. If daily percentage change is less than 0, then red. Else if daily percentage change is greater than equal to 0, then green, and then end. Okay, this is the conditional statements. Now if I press apply and OK, you can see this red and green is showing it. Now I want the color based on this particular column. So first of all, I need to remove this stock name which I have dragged into this color. So you just need to click on that particular stock name and drag outside. Okay, it will automatically remove. Now I am dragging this red and green to this color. Okay, now you can see it is showing like that only. And here you can see this is showing 616 negative values. Okay, so I'm just using the absolute value. Okay, using the absolute value. So now it is showing red and green. Now it is showing red and orange color. We need to change it to green. So again I am clicking here color, edit color, click on this green, and click on this click on this green text and click on this green color, and then apply and OK. Now you can see it is showing in green and red. If you hover on red, you can see all the daily percentage change in negative. But if you hover your mouse, you can see the daily percentage change is showing here in a positive value. So this particular box is known as tooltip. So if you click on this tooltip, you can give your own parameters. Suppose you don't want this stock name, or you don't want this red and green, so just remove this. Okay, and if you want to change, if you want to do some formatting, suppose I want some bigger and I want color should be a red color. Okay, so if I hover again, then you can see it is showing red color. So this is known as tooltip. Okay, so I hope you have created this bubble chart while watching this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you all of you.